with a soft sky blue base. Now, draw 2 clean vertical lines. Next, create a half French tip connected to the bigger line for a sleek twist. Outline the half French tip with dark pink for that bold pop. Place shiny rhinestones at the top of the lines. Seal everything with a glossy top coat. Start with a nude base coat and cure it. Create a green French tip for a fresh, fruity twist. Using a dotting tool, add 2 red dots for each cherry. Draw green stems with tiny leaves for that natural touch. Seal with a glossy top coat. Start with a soft blue base. Next, paint a shimmering pink diagonal tip for that bold twist. Using white polish, a dotting tool and brush, make tiny daisies along the diagonal line. Add green dots at the center for a delicate finish. Seal it all with a glossy top coat.